Hello, welcome to Unofficial Design. In today's video, we're gonna make this Threads app style animation. First of all, create a new conversation. Type something like "Thanks for watching." Make a center line and use pen tool. Make sure the text layer is selected and randomly draw something. And open the cascade text hash option, and we're gonna select mask 1. Now you can see we have this text along the path. And by editing first margin, you can animate the design. For example, let's add a keyframe and change first margin value. And if you want to copy shape layer to mask, draw a line shape, open the cascade. Make sure you find stopwatch path. Select it and Ctrl-V or Command-V to copy. And use pen tool, go to the text layer. Click once wherever you want and Ctrl-V or Command-V to paste. Now that's how we copy shape layer to mask. And we can move on to the final touches, like increase the stroke weight, adjust anchor points, change colors, pre-compose and reorganize the layout, change stroke color to gradient. Hope you like this video. See you next time.